Right, Ginge. So, messing with Leatherman, I better just show you the little bit first. Let's start. Ignore dogs and everything else. Right, so there's the surge. That's that bit I was telling you about. Right, so as you see that fancy thing just there, what you can do.
Hey!
Say right to Rusty.
Hi, Rusty Tusty.
So pull that out. Drops out just like that. So that's what I'm on about that T.
Goodbye, Rusty Lusty.
That T14. So that one's you give us. Fit straight in. Now obviously you can't lock it away, because it's a bit, there's that bit of a gap there. But instead of having that sort of size saw,
you were nearly ready for a smack then.
that's the size you've got now. And all you do is just take it out, but it's a fair thing, right? So that's, you can put multiple attachments in it. That's your original one. You can get a file for these, but they're extra. And then what else? That's that one I was telling you about. Not like yours, but you can spin it out, and then there's a bit driver that extends in there. And you can put them in with bit kit, which I'll be buying when coronavirus is fucked off.
Did you not get
So,
a
yeah.
sharpener in the kit that I got you?
Yeah, this beast is this one. I like it, favourite one. Sound?